macam semalam ada tengok video Aisyah panggil Uncle Izwan. Selepas itu makan panggil Uncle juga ke macam mana? Ke dah ada panggilan lain?
I'm still thinking. Masih nak fikir what to call him. But not permanent lah. Uncle Izwan tu the name lah. But hopefully I'll come up with a name soon.
Aisyah dengan Sofia macam mana? Memang dah kenal akrab ke ataupun?
Dah pernah jumpa masa my mom punya birthday. So ada get to know her a bit lah.
Aisyah dengan dia sebaya.
Mama yang puji your mom punya sikap. Did you happy for your mom?
Oh, so happy for my mom. I think she's also like very surprised lah and happy with the whole event. And yeah, I think Uncle Izwan did a very good job with the whole event.
Part mana yang you rasa macam touching semalam?
Yang paling touching, I think, was when my mom and I jalan down the path kan. Sebab I rasa very nervous for my mom more than I nervous like nak jalan. So, cause I know my mom is like a bit nervous as well. So I macam kesian kat dia a bit. But I know that she's a strong person and alhamdulillah she managed to.
Your mom dengan Uncle Izwan mungkin ada minta idea untuk diorang punya majlis macam yalah idea creation ke atau macam mana ke?
From what I heard is 95% is Uncle Izwan punya kerja and 5% tu my mom punya contribution. So I tak tahu I'm not part.
Alisha sendiri tengok ni macam dream wedding tak apa?
Seriously, I'm like terharu sebab cantik gila the place and props to Uncle Izwan. It's a very nice setting.